Greetings, the Astro30 here yet again, and welcome back to AEL. Now, if you're new to this channel, please consider going down below and subscribing if you haven't done so already. Cheers. Now, I got a package delivered yesterday from Temu, or Temu, however you want to pronounce it. Shop like a billionaire. Anyway, the contents of this bag is not really interesting and not really electronics related, but I just wanted to, show you what I've got and have a little bit of a discussion about Temu. Now, I'll just open the bag and we'll see what we got here. Got another package bubble wrapped. Another one. And finally, this one here. Now, this is what I was mostly interested in. These are nut drivers. I was hoping that they were a deeper socket than that, but they're not. They may prove useful. But they come in 8 different sizes, 10 different sizes, something like that. So you've got 5mm, 7mm, 9mm, 11mm, 13, 12, 10, 8 and 6. So 4 and 5 is 9. So 9 sizes. But I was hoping that they were a deeper socket. But they're not. I was looking for something to, use on potentiometer knobs. Or not knobs, but on the potentiometer shafts. But these just aren't deep enough either. May come in useful somewhere along the line. I'll hold on to them. They're only like about $5. So, yeah, that's kind of disappointing. But that happens. Let's have a look at this one. So this one is not opening. Making a mess everywhere. This is pretty much going to be the most useful thing. These are Christmas tree bits or star bits, drill bits, so you can drill up various different size holes. And that's covered in oil on the outside of the bag, mind you. Now, I was hoping this was metric, but it's in inches, or quarters of inches, which is slightly frustrating. Like you got 1 1/8 of an inch, 1 1/4, 1 3/8 of an inch. It's like, yeah, I don't work in inches, I work in metric. The picture did show metric numbers, but whatever. The reason I bought these is because, well, they were cheap for a start, and secondly, I need a stepper bit that can go above 20mm, so hence this big one here. I guess that's fine. But, yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit about oil. Temu. Or Temu. Now, they said get discounted items now in the next, couple of hours or whatever it is. And I said, oh, alright. So I chose these 3 items. I'll get to this in a minute. And, yeah. These were about, I think, $38 normally, maybe $40 or something. But they discounted down to like $6. I don't have the original invoice. Same as these were cheap as well. I mean, in total I paid $27 for these 3 items. Okay, that's fine. And about 5 minutes later, Temu sent me another notification blowing my phone up. Claim your 6 free gifts now in the next 3 hours. Okay, so I went through doing the spinny thing and all the other junk that you do on the application, and I chose the 6 items, and then when it came time to check out the 6 free items, you have to spend a minimum of $106 AU. So that's where they get you. They're not really giving you away anything to you for free. You've got to spend a certain amount of money to get those free items. So you've also got to look at how much it costs them to manufacture this stuff. Now, it comes from the country of origin where everything is manufactured, which is China. So, say you paid $6 for this packet of stepper bits, it probably cost them all of about, 50, 80 cents to make, because they make them in mass and, it's relatively cheap. Which is why PCBs are cheap to get from China, for that same reason, because it's just so inexpensive for them to manufacture stuff. So finally, this other package here is a bunch of screws. That way around. Now we've got, I think it's M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5. I believe that's the order they go in. And then nuts. And a bunch of washers and stuff also in with the screws. Phillips drive. Now, a box like this, if you were to say buy it from JCar, they'd probably charge you like $30, $40 for the privilege. I believe this is like 360 piece. But not that there's much call for me to be using these tiny little M1 screws. So I have no idea where that went in there. M2 maybe, M3 definitely, but it looks like if I could get the bastard back out of there, it looks like the M3 section, they come in like various different lengths. I've got a 15mm length one there, and just for bonus they've included a 20mm one, which I just dropped because my hands are covered in that oil. So you've got 20mm in there, as well as, yeah, a 10mm. So there's a 10mm down there. So I've got 10mm, 15mm, and 20mm all on the same tray. Which, okay, the M4s, they look like got a 10mm here and a 20mm. So nothing in between, so there's like 10mm and 20mm. The M5s look like they're all the same length. No, there's a 10mm in there, so yeah, there's a 10mm and 20mm, and their associated nut. So this alone could prove handy to me in the future. I'm not really sure. I mean, certainly thread's okay. So it's always handy having like a box of miscellaneous screws around the place to, do things with. I do run the occasion where I need a specific size screw, like an M2, and I don't have one. So that's all handy, and it looks like the M2s are all the same length, which is 10mm. There's no shorter ones. So yeah, that's how Temu get you with their free gifts. You've got to spend a certain amount of money to get them, and it's, for all intents and purposes, kind of a scam. And I've heard people say on the internet, in forums and stuff over the last few years since Temu started, that it is a complete scam. Well, it's not a complete scam, but they do find ways of flogging off shit by making you buy other shit in order to get free shit. So, yeah. But I'm going to leave this video here, and I'm going to leave it to you in the comments to discuss what are your experiences with Temu. What have you bought? What do you think of their discount and gift system? Have you been ripped off? Has the item that you received not been 100% what it's been described? Let me know in the comments. Other than that, this is the Astro 30 saying, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go down below, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.